Hello friends, welcome back to the Code Generator. This is Nandini and today in this video we are going to learn if else statement in Java. So let's begin with this. So let's move with the syntax first. The if statement specifies a block of code to be executed if a condition is true. And the else statement specifies a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. So in order to understand it in better way, so I have initialized a variable called as x as 20. And for example, I would like to print a statement called as good evening and good morning according to my conditions. And my condition is if I would like to print good morning if x is less than 10. So how I will write? I'll write x is less than 10 inside the brackets. And I would like to print good morning. So just write it system.out.println and inside the double quotes, good morning, and don't miss out the semicolons. And otherwise, I would like to print good evening. So here in this program, in the first condition, I said x is less than 10. So it will print good morning. But the value of x is 20, which is not less than 10. So it will skip this loop and it will jump in the else loop. So what it will do? It will print good evening. So just save it and let's run this. So as you can see, the output of this program is good evening because the value of x is 20. It is not less than 10. So that's it for the else if statement. Let's move with the next one. So as we have seen the example for that, the next one is else if statement. Okay, where we can use else if statement? Use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. Okay, let's make it easy. First, we will go with the syntax. According to the syntax, in the first if, we can write the condition and the block of code to be executed if condition 1 is true. In the else if, we can write second condition and the block of code to be executed if the condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. And what if condition 1 and condition 2 both are false? Then it will jump to the else loop. So in the else loop, the block of code to be executed if the condition 1 is false and condition 2 is also simple condition here by saying that else if. Okay. In the else if, I'll say if x is greater than 20, then I would like to print good evening. Or else, I'll say else, oh my mistake, I will print good day. So what is the logic of this program? In the first if statement, I have written x is less than 10. But the value of x is 20, which is not less than 10. So it will skip the if loop and it will jump to the else if loop. In the else if loop, it is checking whether x is greater than 20. But no, x is not greater than 20. X is 20, so 20 is equal to 20. So it will again jump from this loop to the else loop. And here it will print good day. So just run this. So yeah, the output of this program is good day. So as we saw the simple example for this, hope so we have understood. And the last one, but not the least, shorthand if else or ternary operators. There is also a shorthand if else which is known as ternary operator because it consists of three operands. One is condition, second is expression 1 or expression 2, third is expression false or expression 2. Okay. It can be used to replace multiple lines of code with single line. It is often used to replace simple if else statements. Okay. The syntax of ternary operators is variable, that means name of the variable, is equals to condition, question mark, expression true or expression 1, expression false or expression 2. So what it will do here? The condition we have written in the condition, in the brackets, it will check for the condition. If the condition is true, it will print the first expression, or it will print the false, that is the second expression. So I'll just comment it out, or we can see like this multiple line comment as we have saw in the last video. Slash and star, and I would like to end here. So star slash. Okay. I have initialized x is equal to 20 and I have declared a variable called as result, and in the result I'll write condition. Result is equal to variable x, that is x is greater than 10. If this condition is true, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. So I'll just copy this one and here it will be result. Okay, just save it and let's run. So output. Why output is true? Because I have initialized x as 20 and in the condition I have written x is greater than 20. So of course 20 is greater than 10. So that's why it will print the first statement, that is true. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can find me at codegenerated1115 or you can drop a mail on pythoncode1115@gmail.com. So let's meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you so much.